What's up guys, it's your boy Masa. We're here with another video from our AOC Papyrus riddle solving series, and this time our adventures brings us to Giza, more specifically the Eastern Cemetery Mastaba. This is located just east of the largest pyramid in Giza, and to find the papyrus riddle you'll just enter into the Mastaba, and it's on a table directly in front of a bunch of scrolls on the wall. The riddle reads, in Giza, 3 pyramids stand tall. From the top of the smaller one you can see quite a lot. Even 2 mushroom rocks, the smaller of which I lay atop. Once you've made it outside of the Mastaba, if you head to the smallest pyramid, which is the furthest west, you'll see that there are 2 mushroom-shaped rocks hanging over a road. The smaller one is on the right-hand side, and that's where our papyrus is located. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If this was helpful to you, please be sure to give me a thumbs up on the video and also hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any other content relating to Assassin's Creed in the future. And as always, if you have any questions or need help with anything regarding Assassin's Creed, leave me a comment and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Catch you later.